Hey everyone, so these are the Ponpace bamboo electric toothbrush heads. You have 4 of them in this pack. See, I do have it on my Philips Sonicare toothbrush here, electric toothbrush. So in the box, you get 4 little smaller boxes here. And then of course each of these contains 1 toothbrush head. See, so like this one is white. The one I have on here is blue. There's also black. And then this really cool like blue-green color as well. Get that to focus in there. It's more green than blue, like green-blue, I guess you'd call this one. So you have 4 different colors. And besides from the color, there is no difference between them all. They are all soft bristles. So if we're reading here, only has 6% plastic content, 100% bamboo body. So the entire body here is going to be made of bamboo. I think it does look pretty cool. It looks nice and natural, as it is nice and natural bamboo. So again, you get 4 of them. They are plant-based bristles. So of course the bristles themselves are going to be plant-based. Biodegradable body, again the bamboo. And then you can recycle this entire package. I mean, this thing looks very recyclable. And of course, you should replace your heads every 3 months. And then it does work with a whole bunch of different Sonicare, Philips Sonicare electric toothbrushes. Anyone that start with HX3, HX6, HX8, or HX9. Mine is a HX9 something or other from a few years ago. And it works very well with this one. So looking at these as well, this is also wavered. So you can see it's kind of like a low, then it goes high, low, high, low. So that is very cool. And it does have the name brand on there as well, which is a nice touch. So these are very nice and soft. Like I said before, these are soft bristles. And even though they are soft, they seem to do a very, very good job. I would definitely compare these to an actual Philips branded soft bristle one. I know they make a whole bunch of different ones, but these I would say are as good, if not better, than some of the actual Philips branded heads, replacement heads for this. Again, these things are super soft. They're probably one of the softest bristles I've ever used, but they seem to do a very good job. My mouth, my teeth feel nice and clean after I have brushed with this toothbrush and these heads. They feel really, really good. I mean, I've tried other brands in the past that are not Philips branded or this brand, and I've had to return them because they just don't feel great. You know, they don't feel like they're doing much. But these ones, I would say, feel just as good, if not better, than a lot of the actual Philips branded replacement heads, and that is very much a good thing. And like we said, everything is basically biodegradable or recyclable, which is very, very cool. I mean, even the package this thing comes in is 100% recyclable. As we saw there, 100% recycling package. So that's very cool. All in all, I would highly recommend these. Again, you get 4 different colors. They all are the nice soft bristles, and they seem to do a very, very good job. Again, I really like this wood, this bamboo look. It's a very nice looking replacement head for your Philips Sonicare electric toothbrush. Thank you for watching, and thank you to Ponpace for sending me these 4 to try out. As always, I really do appreciate you guys. Again, I do recommend these. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.